Okay, orange ball. Ito, number 18. Green ball. Team. Orange. 27 to shoot. Number 27. Ito number 18. Number 18. Taking side. Nawala ang pasa. Nakuha na ng papel. Nakuha na ng number 18. Number 3. Ito. Line pick. Nakita na rin. Sumaya ng pasa niya. Okay, ang red ball. Number 12. Nakabili the ball. Time natin is 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 18, ito na ako. Foul by number 18. Oras po natin is 9 minutes. 9 and 20. Yes. First personal foul. Number 12. Pagka number 18. After 18. No goal. Para wala pa rin. Pero nakuha ni number 9. Gabo na rin. 15 to 2. Oy, Pico. Nagtatala ng bola. Get inside the board. Pinasok sa number 1. Wala pa lang sa number 9. That's good. 4 points by number 9. 17-22. In favor of orange team. Number 12. In the middle. Pass to the left side. Number 18. Back to number 12. Number 12. Taking the ng bola. Ipinasa. Number 1. Eto na. Wala. Nakuha ni number 3. Oh. Foul. Number 27. Going to shoot. First personal foul. Number 27. First set foul. Free to shoot. Number 3. No good. Score po natin 17-22 in favor of orange team. Wala kami nakuha ng orange team. Ayan, nakuha ng number 9. Ito na, sasalaksan na ganito. Wala. Foul by number 18. First personal foul. Second big foul. Free to shoot. Basket count from number 9. Second free throw. Number 9. Basket count. 1 point. Oras po natin, 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Turning the ball. Pass to number 27. Back to number 12. Number 12. Pupunta naman sa gitna. Foul. Kailan po 18. Second personal foul. Second big foul. From number 10 black team. No good. Free to shoot. Second free throw. Number 12. Basket count. Hindi po natin. Number 14, Oipiko. In the mid lane. Number 9 to number 18. No good. Yung bumakang bola. Hindi nakasama. Number 18, nakapadali. 23. That's good. Napakaganda ng penetrate ngayon. Oipiko. Binalibot sa number 1. Napakalalim. Sayang. Ang tira ni number 1. Nakuha na ng bansa nito. Ito na. Number 18 naman with the screen move. Yung pumalakas natin. Nakuha ni number 18. Number 18. Malakas na Maria. Napabalakpak na lang sa lakas na Maria. Number 12. Trending the ball. Naghahanap ng papasak. Number 27. No good. Out of bounds. Black ball. Number 14 to number 18 natin. Wala. Pinatapos ng pera. Number 18. From the orange field. Pinasa sa number 24. That's one. 22 points. Number 24. Ito na nagmamadali. Number 3 to number 9. Using the grass. Wala. Idinaktak. Tumira. That's good. Unstoppable. Hindi abot ang mga orange team sa number 9 sa napakahamang paa ng number 9. Pero ito, number 18, number 12, tumula, lusog na siya, sumula. Number 9, ito na naman, the number, that's good. From number 9 and number 3, nahihilo na ang aking mata sa numero. Number 27, Cometa, wala Cometa ang bumagsak. Change 5. Oras po natin, 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Ito po natin, 23, 27, in favor of Kuwait State. Ayan, ang tatabay din ba? Black ball. Number 4, De Leon. Number 4, Philippine ball. Number 4, the number 2, the number 20, Montapay. No goal. Out of bounds. Orange ball. Number down. Odeste, to number 1. Number 1, take. No goal. Oh, nakita ang bala. 16 seconds to shoot. Orange ball. Number 17 to Odeste. Nice. Kumala ang bola. Nakuha ng number 2. Basta number 20. Montapay. To number 8. Number 8. Take inside with the number. Nice one. Napakaganda ng moves ng number 8 na yan. Dalawa na lang po ang lamas. Pero nawala pa rin ang bola. Nawala ang bola. Pinasa number 20. Montapay. Easy layup from Montapay. Score po natin, all 27. Ball po ang orange team. Number 22. Number 22. Number 22. In the left side, number 1. In the left side, number 1. Pass to number 17. 40 seconds to shoot. Number 1. 10 to shoot. 6. 5, 4, 3. Okay. Hindi ako nakabilang na. Ayan, for the black team, number 20, Montapay. Number 3, kabarakakan. Pero pinagawa ko number 13. Pasok Montapay. No, Montapay, number 11. Number 11. Pasok. Number 1, pinapasama ko lang. Hinaharas, pero wala, saka may number 1 ang bola. 8 ang black ball. Oras po natin is 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. Number 2, bring the ball. Number 4, De Leon. De Leon. Good. Rebound by. Okay, out of bounds. Orange ball. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Orange ball, number 17, Odeste, for 3. Kita po. Patira. Nakuha ng number 16. Sabi na sa 2. Number 2. Ibinapatawag ko lang. Kahit hindi ko pa. Pero wala ang number 12. Number 17 na kamita. Behind the back. Patas na dito. That's good. Number 8. Freddy Crawl. Number 8. 5. No good. Rebound by Origin. Last 2 minutes. Origin, Adonis number 22. Bang! Ang galing. Sagpat na sagpat. Number 2. In the mid-range, pass to number 4. De Leon. Discount sa gitna si De Leon. Wala. Nakuha ng orange team. Number 1. On the and 31 seconds. na po, nakakakuha ng practice. Ito, libre, easy 2 points from De Leon. That's yun. Easy 2 points from the black team. Because kapag natin sa 1 minute and 20 seconds, ito, nagmamatulong defense na sila. It's a foul from number 8. Second, personal foul. Third, team foul.
Kel.
Pause mo natin. 1 minute
Kel.
and 16 seconds. 1 minute and 16 seconds. Isang po natin. 29 tatuman. Pero all team. Number 1, Rocheka. Number 1, sa ilalim. Wala.
Wah, tira. And 1.
Pause number 13. Second, personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 11, Adore. Bring it to.
Push. Push it.
Number 11. Number 8. Terlebih dahulu, nagmamadaling isang salang sa kambola. Number 8. Napakaganda ng defense na ginawa nun. Number 24, ito kasi pala. It's 40 seconds to shoot. Number 8. That's good. All 31, 35 seconds. All 35. 35 seconds. Nakuha na naman ang bola. Yellow team won tambay. Jagger tambay won tambay. 27 seconds. It's foul counted by Kuntapaya. 33, 31. Who's power up? Number 1. Second personal foul. Basket down. Round number 20. 25 seconds to shoot. 24 seconds. 23 seconds. Number 22, Adonis. That's good. 16, 50 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 8. 10 to shoot. Number 8. No good. It's 16 seconds to shoot.